In today's video, I am going to teach you how to save passwords in Google Chrome. We will do this directly inside Google Chrome using Google Password Manager. This is helpful when you want Chrome to remember your sign-in details so you can log in faster next time. As you follow along, make sure you are on your own computer or a trusted device since you will be entering account information. Start by opening Google Chrome. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You will see an icon with 3 vertical dots. Click those 3 dots to open the main Chrome menu. In the menu that appears, find and select Google Password Manager. This will take you to the password management screen, where Chrome stores and organizes saved login details. Near the top of the page, close to the search bar, you will see an Add button. Click Add to create a new saved login. Now you will fill out 3 fields: the site, the username, and the password. First, click the site field. Type the website address for the account you want to save. Enter the correct site address so Chrome matches the saved password to the right login page. Next, click the username field and type the username you use for that account. This could be a standard username or another identifier you normally sign in with. Take your time and enter it carefully, since even a small typo can prevent a smooth sign-in later. Then click the password field and type the password for the account. As you enter it, be mindful of uppercase and lowercase letters and any special characters. For privacy, make sure no one is watching your screen while you type. When you have confirmed that the site, username, and password fields are correct, go to the bottom right corner and click Save. Chrome will store these credentials in Google Password Manager so they are available when you return to that website, and that is all there is to it.